Do you know how many defects you've made?
Don't get mad, get Nysus. Hello, plant manager, operations manager, business owner, or random internet person. Welcome to Nysus Solutions, the MES system that makes sense of your factory's mess. Yeah, I saw what I did there. Nysus is the smarter way to get work done. Our state-of-the-art software and hardware solutions streamline your factory, creating a common interface across all your systems. Nysus integrates directly with your current equipment, taking it from sorta smart to really smart. Nysus increases profit and decreases downtime. Integrates your tools, traces products, monitors progress, prevents defects, increases safety, and improves employee output. A Nysus-enabled factory means less waiting, more automating. Because when you automate work instructions, automate operations, automate quality assurance, and automate maintenance,
Product completed.
your product gets made in record time.
I can't believe it's done already.
See? Nysus guys actually do finish first. So don't get mad that your manufacturing facility is wearing you down. Click now and schedule a free demonstration. Get Nysus and transform your factory today.